Welcome everybody. Today I figured what we're going to do with this gardening space. We're going to do a little bit of hybrid. We're going to do some straw bale gardening, and we're also going to build some garden beds out of 2x6 lumber. Show you guys that in a later video. We got a little Easter egg in today's video though with the way I'm setting this up. Anybody want to let me know in the comment section down below right away what I'm doing wrong if we're doing straw bale gardening? So one of the very simple things when you're doing straw bale gardening, what would I be doing wrong? But yeah, this is what we're going to do with this space. This is called straw bale gardening. It is super easy to do, very cheap and affordable, especially if you're in a more rural area or if you are, within a few minutes of a farm. You can find farmers that are going to be selling these straw bales for about $4 a bale. So pick these up. You pick up 10 of them for $40. We've got all of this space ready to garden. Quite literally, there's a way to do this with no materials at all, but in my next video, I will show you the standard way for prepping these beds, which can be done in a matter of weeks to the point where you just set them up and then you are ready to grow. So a matter of weeks, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very affordable and quick, convenient way to grow, especially in urban environments where you might not have a lot of space or access to a ton of soil. Or, to be honest, the price of soil these days for some quality stuff can get expensive. So for $4 a bale, you really can't beat it. Plus, this is a fun way to grow. So I'm going to set this up a little bit of hybrid area. So the space that we don't have the straw bales, you're going to see we're going to build some garden beds out of 2x6 lumber. But very excited for this. Stay tuned for our next video as it will be all about the prep of these beds.